True, my kazarangi's it's Hux, and we are back with another banger. Today we are reacting to Rawhitiroa 2025. Yes, we have reacted to 3 different Rawhitiroa years, but this is the last one for the week. Let's get straight into it, eh, Kahi? Bang. Did you skip the tira? Shut up. Hey, shut up. It was a pretty good tira though, but shut up. Okay. Something light. Let me see what the bird is up to. Looks like they're gonna bring it. So far, whakeke. Pretty tough, eh? I liked it all. I loved it all, in fact. Time for the more teatea. More teatea, honestly, are either a hit or a miss. They're either really long and boring, or they sound really nice.
Te Rawhitiroa! Tu!
It's got that mean voice there. Motiatia wasn't too bad, me personally. Gee, I'm a stickler for Motiatia, to be honest. I don't like it, It's a little bit boring. I'm sorry. Rawhitiroa, come at me, bro. I don't care. Okay? I just don't like it. I'm not gonna give an essay on why I don't like it either. I just don't like it. Not everyone's facials were full beaming on. Like, I like their 2024 one, cause, bro, look at the facials, cousin. Doi. Sorry, young fella. Oh. Surprise name. No. I like the way I thought I'd go. Oh, it's got a little bit of something on me. I like the white adding around. It's good as. The start was like reminding me of He honore nui, He kororia, you know. time. Okay. I wanted to set a poi, hear like a little beat and see. Oh. I'm so confused. I'm so confused, but I don't think I like the poi. Come at me for that too. I don't really care. I don't really like the poi. The beat changes were like trippy ears, and it was just like the start. It was like yo, and then it was like just like what the heck is going on? That's just me. So because I didn't really know that's kind of on me. That's my fault for not knowing. Okay, but I don't like it. Full stop. Sorry. Sorry about it. I think I like this one though. Hey, let's go. I like that one. That's it. That's all I gotta say. I like that one. Nice and short hair. Beautiful.
Takutaia te ao Māori. E kia nei te kōrero ko koe ki runga, ko hau ki raro. E hoki koe ki te Hawaii ki kōrero te ai au tāua tupuna. Ki Hawaii ki nui, ki Hawaii ki roa, ki Hawaii ki pāmāmā. Ko mātou tēnei te tirahau, te hāra ke nei, te kōkiri ake nei, kei te Hawaii ki haue.
Oh, I really like this. I like the way this one sounds. Rawhitiroa 2025. honestly, was pretty good. Let's break it down. Whakaeke. Love the whakaeke. Mō tia tia, I don't really like. Waita āringa, I really enjoyed. Poi wasn't my favourite thing. The haka compensated. I enjoyed the haka. The little bro over here, he's the man. With the haka, there was quite a few tāne that were tough individually. Like had their own steez to them. I love seeing stuff like that, bro. Love it. Whakawātia was pretty mean. I really enjoyed that waiata. I don't know if you could see, but at the end of the like waiata part, I was still like in that mood. So when they started up the haka part, I wasn't even there yet. If I was to rate it out of 10, I'm gonna have to place this one an 8.7. Yeah, this ropu was pretty mean. I can't wait to see them next year. It's gonna be mean. If you enjoyed this video and enjoy content like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, pop in the live streams on TikTok, hux.t or huxtables on TikTok. Until next time. Sure.